Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we have another beautiful car that we are doing an exterior clean on. I did both an interior and exterior clean on this, however didn't get to record the interior clean, so just doing the exterior clean today. For all car enthusiasts, I would suggest you wait until the end. I do have a nice little surprise for people that love cars at the end. So this is the car that we're doing. As you can see, it is a little bit dirty. It's not too dirty. So we're only just doing a quick once over on this, getting it up to scratch. And then yeah, it will be on its way. So as always, we start with the wheels. So first we're going to get into the barrel, clean the barrel of the wheels, and then do the face of the wheels. Some nice little tidbits about this is, so this is a, I don't think I said what it was. It was a nice Mercedes-Benz SL63 AMG. Some quick little tidbits. It goes from 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds, so it's lightning quick. It is a 6.2 litre V8. I think this one's supercharged as well. So one hell of a beast of a car. It won the Best Roadster award from Car and Driver magazine in 2009 as well. So it is one hell of a car. I do remember when this car came out in 2008. It was definitely revolutionary. So as you can see, just going over the rim with a brush to bring it out, to clean the rim. And then we're just going to clean the tyre with our tyre brush here. Then going to rinse it off. To be fair, the tyres weren't too dirty. The wheels and tyres weren't too dirty. It was more the body of the car. The wheels, they look, I think I'm sure that they're aftermarket wheels. They don't come stand with the car. They're nice, beautiful wheels. This is, to be honest with you, it's just a beautiful car. So once again, thanks to the owner for giving me the opportunity to detail this car. It's one hell of a beast, I will say, and it was one of my favorite cars growing up as well. So just giving it a nice foam, and we're going to get some cinematic shots now. There you go. I hope you all enjoyed that. So now just rinsing off the foam from the car. And as you can see, the personalised number plates as well. They're fantastic. I really like them. So yeah, just rinsing off all the foam from the car. The hood is ridiculously long on this car. It's a small car, but I guess the front end is just so much bigger than the rest of the car. It's just a fantastic looking car. Anyway, so now we're doing the contact wash. As always, we work in lines, not circular motions. As you can see, the fins almost broke my microfiber mitt. So they are very sharp on the hood there, the fins. So yeah, I was just checking to see if it had broken or made a hole or anything like that. So I was very, very cautious after that. Once again, just rinsing off the shampoo from the contact wash from the car. Now what we're going to do is we are going to dry the car with the microfiber cloth and some spray. So you can either use quick detailer or I believe it's the one where it's a drying aid as well, to one, give it some gloss, two, give the paint some protection from the microfiber cloth so you don't leave swirls and scratch marks. Then we are going to put the tyre shine on the wheels. And it is all complete. So this is what it looked like as complete. You can see the reflection, you can see the glow on the car now that we've gone over it. So again, thank you for watching. Please like and comment on the video. Also, if you are enjoying my content, have a look at my channel. I do have product reviews. I've got a lot of how-tos as well. A lot of different content that you can sink your teeth into. So have a look on my channel and subscribe if you do like the content. Here is your present car enthusiasts.